Hello everybody, welcome back to the Pistol Challenge everybody. Now last time we're doing the passing campaign, we're in the second one, so enough of my rambling, let's go. Alright. Don't run away from me. Oh, I got an achievement. That's awesome. It's a good way to start the video. Get an achievement. Alright, let's take care of these zombies. Get off. Get that jockey off me. Tattoo place. Ah, smoker! Help! 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 Thank you. Oh, let's go in here. Okay, so far so good. Alright, let's go. Come on, guys. Oh god, there's a tank. Crap. Another tank? He's in the second level again? Get in. Get through, get through. Okay, the tank is dead. I'm gonna heal. Okay, that scared me a lot. No, I did not want to do that. Okay, there's stuff there. Oh god. That scared me a lot. There's a tank. Oh, look at that beautiful weapon. It's beautiful. Ugh. Smoke. Ooh, pipe bombs. Oh crap, I did not want to do that. Now which window is it? Oh, it's the other window. Crap, I fell twice. Well, I know there's a staircase, but... Oh god, zombies. Alright, we're at the jazz club place. There's a defibrillator. I don't want that, so let's keep going. God, there's a witch. Oh crap, she's right there. Crap. God. Die. Die, you devil. Heal me. Thank you, Alice. I think we're gonna be almost done. Oh god, there's so many zombies. Oh god. Alright, we're gonna go in the sewer. Let's go, let's go. Ooh, adrenaline. I'll take that. What is over here? And health pack, I'll take that. Oh, god, that hunter scared me. Alright, let's go. Gotta kill these zombies. We gotta go. Crap, we have another one to do. We're almost at the end of the level. Gotta go. Oh crap, my bots. Crap. Crap, go away. Get out of my face. Crap. Crap. Get out of here. Bots, help. Oh crap, coach. Charger. I don't want this video to be long. No. Gotta clear these zombies. They're still coming. Get out of here. Get off. Oh my god, that was a struggle. I'm gonna heal. Alright, almost at the end. I don't want this video to be 10 minutes. Let's go, 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 go. Let's grab another health kit. Get in. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and comment below. Bye everybody.